In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the create user script to create new SFTP users from the command line. When running the script, you'll always have to specify the name of the script as well as the credential file, which contains your SFTP Gateway admin username and password. When running the script, you're able to specify the username, the password, as well as an SSH key. The first user I'm going to create is going to have just a password. As you can see, I currently do not have any users right now. Now I'm going to configure my username, which is going to be Bryce, and then I'm going to figure a password. Make sure your password meets the current complexity requirements you have in place. If I go back to the admin portal and refresh, you can see my user has successfully created. Next, I'm going to create a user that has both a password and an SSH key. To specify an SSH key, use the syntax -k and then in double quotes, paste the value of your key. If I go back to the admin portal and refresh, you see my user with a key as well as a password configured. Additionally, you also have the ability to specify multiple SSH keys for a single SFTP user. Here, I have the previous command I ran with a changed username. To specify another key, I would simply run the same syntax of -k and then pasting my key value in the double quotes. If I go back to the admin portal and refresh, you see my created user with 2 SSH keys. That's all for this video. If you haven't already, please check out our other SFTP Gateway related videos and content. Thanks.